Hello.
This is Pippa the Penguin. It is morning. Yon Pippa is very cozy in her bedroom. She sees her soft white bed. Tick-tock, she sees her big pink clock. Pippa is hungry for breakfast. She finds her warm purple coat. She finds her soft orange scarf. Now Pippa goes outside to play. Look, the snow is white and sparkly. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Brr, says Pippa. The snow is cold, but I am very happy. Let's learn these fun words together. Are you ready? Great. Let's start with this one. Can you say, the bed is soft? Wonderful. Thief. The word soft means something feels nice and gentle to touch, just like a fluffy pillow or a cuddly teddy bear. When you touch something soft, it feels comfortable and cozy. Your blanket might feel soft when you snuggle into it at night. Now, let's try this one. The clock is pink. Fantastic job! Pink is a beautiful, bright, and pretty color. You might see pink flowers in a garden, or maybe you have a pink crayon to draw with. It's a color that often makes people think of sweet and cheerful things, like yummy strawberry ice cream. Okay, here's our next phrase. Let's say, I have an orange scarf. Did you notice we say an orange scarf, not a orange scarf? That's because the word orange starts with a special letter called a vowel. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Whenever a word starts with one of these sounds, we use an right before it. It helps the words flow together nicely, like saying an apple or an elephant. Just one more to go. Let's say it together. I am happy in the snow. You're doing so well. We use the word happy to describe that amazing feeling when you are smiling and your heart feels light and full of joy. It's how you feel when you get a big hug, play your favorite game, or see a beautiful rainbow. Pippa is happy because she loves the cold, sparkly snow. Delight to play in the snow. Or maybe you like sunny days better. Tell me what makes you happy in the comments below. Thanks for learning with Pippa today. See you next time.